Did you know one of the world's best-selling books was written by a woman who could barely walk? Margaret Mitchell was stuck in bed for 10 years with a badly hurt ankle that never got better. From 1926 to 1936, she stayed home in Atlanta, unable to go anywhere. But instead of feeling sorry for herself, she did something amazing. She balanced a typewriter on her lap and started writing. Even though she was in terrible pain and had to take strong medicine, she kept typing away. Here's the crazy part. She had never written a story before in her life, and she wrote the ending first, then worked backwards through the whole tale. When she finished her 1,000-page book, publishers said it was too long and too Southern for people to want to read. They were so wrong. Gone with the Wind sold 50,000 copies on the very first day it came out. It went on to sell over 30 million copies around the world. A woman who couldn't walk created Scarlett O'Hara, one of the strongest characters ever written.